Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. A couple of weeks ago I ordered 2 new items for my preps. I ordered 2 50 cal ammunition boxes. You see one of them up there, and here is the other one. And these are made of metal. These have a heavy-duty handle and a heavy-duty lock to make the lid fits nice and tight. And I'm going to use these boxes for my long-term food storage. And why am I going to use these for my long-term food storage? Because these are airtight, waterproof and dustproof. So the other reason is rodents cannot bite through metal, and they make actually these boxes of plastic as well, but I prefer metal. And I'm gonna show you how these looks like inside. Nice space inside, and they have a rubber seal here that makes it airtight, waterproof and dustproof. And what can you use these for more? Well, if you have an alcohol stove, propane stove, camping stove, portable ones, you can store your propane or alcohol in these. That is the other purpose you can use this for. And you can use this to store other things that are sensitive to moist and dust and things like that. So you can store it whatever you want in these boxes. And the best thing is you can stack these on top of each other, so you can have several of these on top of each other, which is really nice. So guys, this is the short video for this week, but hey guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. ShadowScoutSwede out.